Shifting focus now to the ongoing conflict between Armenia and Azerbaijan. In the latest turn of events, a new humanitarian ceasefire came into force between the two sides to de-escalate the tensions in the Nagorno-Karabakh region on Saturday. However, within minutes of agreeing on a second truce, Armenia has now accused Azerbaijan of violating the humanitarian ceasefire in the disputed region. Armenia accused Azeri forces of firing artillery shells and rockets in the conflicted zone on Sunday. Meanwhile, Azerbaijan is yet to respond to these allegations. The decision of the new truce was taken in accordance with agreements on the Moscow deal. The move comes a week after the Russia-brokered truce frayed immediately after it took force, as both the sides engaged in new clashes. The foreign ministries of both the countries confirmed the news of a new truce through official statements. The truce came into force from midnight. Both the countries on Saturday accused each other of new clashes targeting civilians. Azerbaijan accused Armenia of a missile strike in their second-largest city of Ganja in the early hours of Saturday. 13 civilians have been killed and more than 50 have been injured in the attack. A foreign ministry statement accused Armenia of deliberate and indiscriminate targeting of civilians. However, the Armenian officials have denied the attack and have accused Azeri forces of attacking civilian areas. The residents of the disputed region of Nagorno-Karabakh are one of the worst affected due to the ongoing conflict. These attacks have now claimed hundreds of lives and damaged thousands of buildings. Residents assessed the damage to their properties on Saturday as both the countries announced a new humanitarian truce in the area.
Երեխերքը տարած ուրիշ տեղ, սա ինչ կյանք է, սա ում է պետք, ում է սա պետք, ինչ պիտի ասես, սա կյանքը չարչարում ես դնում ես, սեկունդի ընթացքում, գոնե, որ երեխերք ստեղ չէին էտի, Hazar Parkastun,
Nagorno-Karabakh lies within Azerbaijan but has been under the control of ethnic Armenian forces since 1994. The latest outburst of fighting began on September 27th and has involved heavy artillery, rockets and drones, killing hundreds. The US and France have repeatedly accused Turkey of backing Azerbaijan in this conflict. In fact, US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo has criticized Turkey for its support to Baku by stating that this involvement can further increase the tensions in the region.